Every application you've ever used started exactly like this, with a single idea. Today, you're building your very first Python program, a calculator. It looks simple, but beneath the surface, it uses the exact same building blocks that power Netflix, Spotify, and Google. Before we write a single line of code, watch how it works. The user enters two numbers. The calculator processes them instantly. A result appears on screen. This three-step pattern runs every program you've ever touched. Here's the pipeline that powers all software. First, collect user input. Second, store the data. Third, process it. Fourth, display the result. For steps, every application on Earth follows this exact structure. Step 1. We need numbers from the user. Python's input function pauses the entire program and waits. Whatever the user types gets captured and stored in a variable. Think of it like a container holding ingredients before you start cooking. But here's the trap. Python reads everything the user types as text, not numbers. Text. Watch what happens when we try to add 10 plus 20. We get 1020. That's not addition. That's text glued together. We need to fix this. Enter the transformation engine. The int function converts text into real integers. Your strings pass through a conversion machine and emerge as actual numeric values. Now Python sees numbers, not words. Now it can calculate. Stop for a moment. You've already mastered two fundamental concepts: how programs collect input, how they transform data. These two skills power mobile apps, web platforms, and artificial intelligence. You're building the foundation right now. Now the real magic begins. The plus operator adds our numbers together. Python gives you operators for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Each one is like a specialized power generator. Feed it numbers, and it produces results instantly. A calculation means nothing if nobody can read it. F-strings let us format output like a professional. We embed variables directly inside our message. Raw numeric data transforms into polished, human-readable results. This is how real software communicates. Time to assemble the complete machine. The user enters two numbers. We capture them in variables, convert them from text to integers, add them together. Display the result using an F-string. 5 steps. Every component working in perfect harmony. This is your first real system. Professional developers never stop at version 1. Add subtraction. Add multiplication. Add division. Your simple calculator evolves into a powerful computational tool. This is how all software grows. Feature by feature. Iteration by iteration. You didn't just build a toy calculator. You built your first functional software application. The same principles you use today power banking systems, e-commerce platforms, data dashboards, and machine learning tools. This is where every developer's journey begins. Your programs can now process information. But next, they'll learn to think. If statements, else clauses, elif branches. Your code is about to make decisions. The real power is just beginning.